welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. All right, so today we're going to be doing another Costco trip. I wanted to show you what Costco has as far as home decor and furniture. They're always changing out their pieces, but right now they're bringing out their outdoor stuff. They had it out for a while, but you know, they have more out, and I wanted to show you, like, you can decorate your home, you can furnish your home with stuff from Costco, and the pieces most of the time are going to be affordable. And they have modern home decor, they have contemporary home decor, they have farmhouse home decor, they have so many different pieces. But I wanted to show you right now what they have at my local Costco. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I love going to Costco to see what they have, and I wanted to show you some of the furniture pieces first. So this couch, they didn't have it out. Most of the time they have their stuff displayed. They didn't have this one out, but it looks like a nice, clean, simple sectional, and it is only $1,300, and to me that is not bad for a sectional, and it comes with the ottoman piece too. So this might be something that can fit in with a lot of homes. This lamp I thought was cool because it was giving me an old school vibe and a modern vibe at the same time, and it's wireless, I believe, so you can just plug it in and you don't have that ugly cord there, you know. I'm not 100% sure it's wireless, but the box said wireless, so I'm gonna say it's wireless. And then Costco is a great place too for dishes, for different dish sets. They come out with different ones at different times. I like the shape of these. You see the little flat like bowl there, and they all had like a little lip on them that I thought was interesting. So I like dishes that have something a little different, and it's a 12-piece set for $23. And then this, if you're a cooker and you like to, you know, cook different things and experiment with recipes and different things, I think a little mortar is good, and that one was really nice and heavy. This is another set of plates that I thought was a nice, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a wavy kind of detail to it, so I thought that was nice, and it's like a cute set of serving plates. Then, of course, sometimes you might not think about it, but Costco is a good place for lighting. You can get lighting there. You can get lighting that you would put into the wall. You can get lamps there. You can get all kind of different things, but sometimes you might not think about lighting, things like bathroom fixtures, things like that. So these bathroom fixtures I thought were nice, and they were something different. I would have really loved if they were in black, but the silver was cute too, and it's a whole set that you get and you can have for only $40. Then, of course, Costco is good for organizational stuff. I did another video with full organizational things that they had at my Costco at the time. But this basket is something nice to put your blankets in, different stuff like that, your pillows from off your bed at night. And they come in two nice colors. And then these hampers, something clean and simple. Again, I like something simple, and you know, everybody needs a place to put their dirty clothes because you can leave them on the floor like my daughter does, but you know, it's better if you put them up. So that's nice and simple. This was my absolute favorite right now at Costco. I loved it. It's a double vanity, and it comes with the nice marble. I think it's a faux marble, of course, but it comes with a nice marble top. It has tons of storage in it, so you have all your little drawers for different things, and a lot of the drawers are arranged so that they can be organized, which is always awesome because, you know, your drawers can get messy in the bathroom. So I just thought this was awesome. From the wood color, you see the plugs in there, I just think this is awesome. You can plug up your hair dryer, your curling iron, what have you, right there at your vanity without having to see the cord, so you can plug it up, I'm assuming, in the back and then attach. Loved it. Then another sectional, which I don't like tufting that much because little crumbs and different things get in there, but if you are into tufting, this is only $1,500, and again, it comes with the ottoman. This coat rack I thought was interesting because the hooks on it stay in, until you're ready to use them, or I guess you could leave them out if you wanted to, but it's just like a clean, simple wood pole. And then if you want to use the hooks, you just pull them out, and I think it has them on both sides. So I thought that was something interesting that you don't see that often. Then they had these big planters. They had two different ones, one a little more colorful and one that I think would go with so many different outdoor decors. That was only $22. And when I say they were big, they were big. I don't have a space big enough outside. That would take up like half my porch maybe, but I don't have a space big enough outside for that. But if you have like a nice outdoor space, I think this is something nice and neutral that you can put your plants in outside. I loved it. And then of course, like I said, they had the more colorful one that was just as big for $50. So right now, I'll go over to Costco and get yourself some nice planters for outside. Then more furniture pieces. These, I know a lot of styles now are incorporating more traditional type furniture, more like, that colonial, that old school, that type look. And this would go with so many different decors right now, even, farmhouse. So they have that, they have this desk, they have like a lot of pieces that would play together with that style right now at my Costco. But this is the desk. Not everything was on display, so I just show you the pictures from the boxes, but this is the desk, and it looks like something that you might see before, like maybe at your grandparents' house or your parents' house or something like that. But I loved it. It was just clean, it was simple, but it still had that old school look. And then, like I said, they had a lot of pieces that played into that. So they had this dining set, which came with the chairs and the table. This bookshelf, I really did like. I'm trying to remember if I've seen this before at Costco, but I really did like this bookshelf here because it's not traditional, and you can just, have your books to lean in. You can do this too, and more than just this way. You can have it standing straight up like this. You can have it on the side there, and it looks more like a console table where you can decorate it and different things like that. So you can use this several different ways. And then if you have a small space like I have, sometimes you don't have space for a whole table. So you can do this with the stools and the table here. So it's just a little narrow table where you can, kind of like a bar table, where you can just have your stools that pull up to it. And then it's nice because they tuck under, so you don't have to see them all the time. And then, of course, Costco, if you're moving, if you're just trying to change things, they have a lot of bathroom sets. They come and they go different styles, different pieces, but I thought that was just a nice simple base, the white. And then, of course, if you don't need like the rugs and different things, they have just the shower curtains, hooks. But Costco has a lot of bathroom sets that change in and out. These pillows reminded me so much of, say, a Z Gallery pillow. And I believe their pillows go for like $70 or $90, something like that. And those pillows were only $20. So that was a good find. And then, of course, they have these other pillows, which are nice, simple. And then all of the pillows, of course, come with the inserts in them. So you don't have to worry about having an insert. I do like a good pillow cover, though. But if you don't have to worry about the insert. Then, of course, now the outdoor furniture. They have a lot of outdoor furniture out right now. They have a lot more than when I went before to look at the outdoor furniture. But all of it is not quite unboxed yet. So you can, I'm giving you a little gist of what they have, but not all of it is unboxed just yet. It might be because, it only takes a couple days to unbox some stuff. But at the time that I went, it all wasn't, but they had a lot of different chaise lounges, chairs, sets, fire pits, gazebos, all kind of different things for outdoor furniture at the Costco, and I was loving it all. So this is one of the shades like on display. You can see it's nice and simple, and I feel like that's a piece that might hold up to the weather, especially if you have an uncovered space like I do. And then they have the sets, like I said, and a lot of the sets I'm seeing come with the fire pits, which is awesome. And then the umbrellas, the gazebos. I thought this swing seat was cute because you do sometimes, if you don't have a covered space, you do want to be protected from the sun. And so that's like a 2-in-1. You have your seating and then you have, you know, a covering for when you're outside, which is awesome. Like I said, they have a lot of different chairs, different things. Like I said, it's a little bit all over the place right now because everything is not fully unboxed, so you can't really see it all that well. But I just wanted to give you just a little look at what they did have, you know. This chair, I love this chair. This chair was my favorite of the pieces, like one of my favorite of the pieces that they did have, because I just like the look of it. And then it folds up too, so you can put it up, easy to store. But I loved it. Then they have these chairs, which is always a great chair to get. More sets. I think I might have showed this set before, but here it is again. And it's a cute little rounded type sectional with the fire pit. They have sets with just the seating. They have, like I said, so many different sets. Like they just so many, but you can see they all are in the boxes. Some of them are not displayed, but you can get the gist of it. You know, a lot of times when you go on Costco's website, sometimes some of the things might not be on the website. From what I see, is like sometimes I don't always see what's in store on the website, so you have to go in sometimes just to see what they have that you might like. This gazebo, I was loving it because, like I said, I don't have a covered space, so whenever I see something to cover the space, I just love it. It was $2,400. It looked nice and sturdy, and it was a great size. Oh wait, no, was it $1,700? I don't know. Maybe the set was okay. Don't quote me, but you can read what the signs say. And then the set, of course, is in there, but you can see what the sign. So maybe the gazebo is 17, and then the set is 24. I don't know. And then, of course, they had a lot of plants. So I get my plants a lot of times from Home Depot or something like that. But Costco has a lot of greenery right now that you can get. So I just wanted to show you what they have and let you know that Costco is a great place to get home decor too. Do you see this tree? Love this tree. So head on down to Costco and see what they have. All right, so that was it for Costco today. Let me know what you thought. If your Costco carries different pieces, if these are pieces that you have seen at your Costco, or if you're not even a Costco fan, you're like a BJ's girl, let me know, and I will see you in the next one.